Hello. I think I'm going to make this video as a video response to Pete Walpar's bird's nest videos. I thought were very good videos. I happen to have a nesting bird situation at my own home here, as a matter of fact. So let's see if we can get a shot of this. Let me try to be quiet here. I can get over. Yep, she's in there. That is a Phoebe. And I don't know if it's the same bird or not, but it's been nesting in that nest. There's been one in that nest. This is the second year. And she's been a lot more tolerant of me coming in and out of the door here than the bird that was in there last year. So I guess she's getting used to me. But she's sitting on some eggs now, I'm sure. It's about the time for it. So yeah, there she is, the Phoebe. And there's a male with her. He's not there, he's out, I guess. But occasionally I'll see him perched beside the nest there somewhere adjacent to it. And this is just under my front porch here. You can see. I'll show you something else. Get back in the door here. There's another nest. If I can focus in on that instead of the screen. Under this corner, top of this post here. Well, we can't see it very well. I'm going to try to get backed up a little bit. It's right there. And that's also a Phoebe nest. And last year, the Phoebe built in this nest over here first, like she did this year. And then, after those chicks hatched and fledged, she raised another brood over here. So it'll be interesting to see if she does it this year also. So, anyway, that's my own bird nesting event here in my home in Alabama. I hope you guys enjoyed it, girls, guys, and we'll see you in another video. Take care.